to dinner. First restaurant in town, which is Lobster House. It is connected to another restaurant, so it's 2 in 1, and right next door to the key lime pie factory, which is like famous in Cozumel. So I'm excited to eat a lot. So there's Lobster House and there's the key lime pie factory. So change of plans. Lobster House has a very long wait for a table. So I'm in my rental car, I'm going to drive over to El Palomar, which...
You are on the fastest route despite some traffic. You will arrive at 7:38 p.m.
was recommended in one of the vlogs that I read prior to coming here. I do lots of research when I can. I like to do lots of research on the location in advance and take note of restaurants and things to do to kind of flesh out a loose itinerary so that I'm not wasting time doing that once I arrive. So I read several blog posts, TripAdvisor and all that. Lobster House came highly recommended, so I think I will try to go back. But El Palomar was recommended as something kind of off the beaten path with really good cocktails. Cozumel has a reputation for being very touristy, so I think this will be a good start to it to kind of avoid like the cruise ship crowd and all that. Good morning. I have a hard time getting up before 8 most days when I'm home, if I'm being honest. But on vacation, I'm just live at 5. At 5, I got up, couldn't sleep, could not stay in bed past like 6 something this morning, and tried to like, you know, make it last forever. But I am heading to breakfast at Maple Bakehouse. I have to also pick up some supplies, sunscreen and bug repellent. I always try to buy reef safe sunscreen when I get to a destination that has like diving and that kind of stuff, to be mindful of the environment. So I didn't pack any with me except for like my face sunscreen, which is mineral based, and bug spray. I have bug spray. I have like an all natural bug spray that I love, and I didn't pack it for whatever reason, so I need to buy some of that too because the mosquitoes are popping. Point I could find is through the restaurant, and of course they, you know, want you to eat and drink. So I did that, and I rented a little lounge chair under an umbrella and just been laying out and dipped in the water for a little bit. Have to get past the grainy part with all the shells and the seaweed. looks really nice. So La Flor de Michoacana is a chain on the island. There are 3 locations, I think, and when you look them up on Google Maps, a chamoyada is the treat that comes up, so I had to get one. It is mango ice cream with a stick of chamoy and frozen chamoy swirled through it. So good. So I've dropped my bags and gotten a little bit settled in the room. So I'm going to give y'all a room tour. This is a king balcony room at the Westin Cozumel. I believe all of their rooms are ocean facing. So this is the bathroom. It's 2 doors connects to the bedroom. Little coffee area. And I have unpacked and hung up my clothes, which I don't normally do, but I didn't like plan my outfits to match activities like I normally would, so I just need to visually keep them straight. Shoes, bags and shades, and then outfits including swimmies hung up. I didn't see like a little luggage trolley, so I'm just using this ottoman because I don't like to put my bag on the floor, nor do I like to put it anywhere near the bed. I'm just very paranoid about bed bugs. Obviously the view is the best part of this room. Just gorgeous. So it's beach facing. There's a pool down there, which I see like so far more families at, and then there's also a rooftop pool, which I have checked out. It seems a little bit more quiet, laid back, and adults. And you can see there are some rooms that have like the walkout there. I'm on the 12th floor, and I just love being up this high and being able to wake up to the ocean. It just doesn't get better. Gracias.
Buen provecho. Some fish. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. ¿Listo? ¿Perfecto?
Sí.
Con permiso. ¿Gusta algún postre? ¿Would you like this one?
Tal vez.
¿Perdón? Sí, mira, aquí tenemos el primero, que son los churros. El segundo es un pastel de chocolate. Y el tercero es un pan de elote. Todos los postres vienen con helado de vainilla. No sé si gustas algún postre.
Churros.
¿Los churros? Sí. Compré.
That was easily one of the best meals I've had on vacation. 10 out of 10 recommend La Condesa. I'm back in the hotel. I'm going to shower and get into the bed. Take this off my face as well while I'm at it. I put on some makeup for dinner and it held up pretty well considering I have very oily skin to begin with. It was hot and I was dining outdoors. And on vacation, I am typically barefaced, braless and jawless. Sorry if that's TMI, it's the truth. And it's honestly not too different from my everyday, even when I'm not on vacation. But it's very freeing. I highly recommend it. So this is the beach outside the Westin. So a little Pier Point restaurant is there, and this is the sandy area. I am headed just over this bush to rent a kayak for the morning. I just got my COVID test so that I can return home to the US in a couple of days. I didn't cry. My eyes did tear up a little bit. That shit burns. So this is the beach at Punta Sur. It's pretty similar to the other beaches I've seen so far. There's a lot of seaweed to get through to the really blue, clear water. It's comfortable, it's cool, it's not like freezing cold, and it's not too hot. The water yesterday was really lovely and warm by comparison at Playa Palancar. They have a restaurant set up. The cost of admission to get into the beach park is $16, and it includes all of the attractions. So there's a lighthouse tour, there's a lagoon tour, which I just took, saw some crocodiles. There's this beach, of course. Whoa. That's what I'm talking about with the seaweed. I should have gone around this. And then like the chairs, the umbrellas are included. Obviously, if you order anything from the restaurant, it's extra. I mean, just incredible. The pretty much 360-degree water views. The ocean to one side, and all the way around until you hit the lagoon, which is where we were earlier for the crocodile tour. So I just left Diego's Tacos. It is a cute little stand, open air, and the tacos were fab. $5 for tres tacos, or 3 beef tacos. I didn't eat my fill. I finished the tacos, but That was honestly my first meal of the day, and I didn't want to do too much there because I'm gonna try to be greedy and hit up 1 or 2 more taco spots, just depending on how the day goes. Get into tonight's dinner look. This is a gorgeous maxi dress from Grassfields. Haven't figured out how to like do it justice because it's really voluminous. I honestly could have ordered a smaller size. It has pockets and it is just such a fun color and print. Ring is old Forever 21 find. Sandals I've been rocking with for about 6 years. They're old Tory Burch, and this is a clutch from Nigeria from one of my dad's past trips. He actually brought it back for my mom and I stole it because that's what daughters do.